Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle New. This time we talk about are the loser outfit big hit reported new boy group and the spark hilarious comparison with the BTS and TXT debut eras. And on April 2, 2025, India time and the reported big hit music and the incoming boy group arrived at the Incheon airport and their look remind fan of BTS and TXT debut era. The rookie group debut date has yet to be announced and the name has also been kept confidential. However, fan noted that the James from the trainee is one of the member of incoming new group. Hive introduced trainee in 2022 under Big Hit Music. The group included seven member Leo Yort, Sangwon, Wuchen, Jam, JJ, and the Jihoon. The group was supposed in debut in 2023. However, it did not go as planned. While Hive and the Big Hit Music have announced that they will debut a new boy group, the label has yet to confirm further details. Fan speculation, however, indicate that the new incoming group reportedly consists of the Seiji, Hojan, Johan, Jam, and the Martin. And meanwhile, the suspended rookie group from the Big Hit Music made headline recently as fans noted that the five-boy looked refined and the polished like celebrity. Although the member visual earned them prize BTS and TXT fan could not help but share hilarious photo of the two group and trainee day as revealed by the Banksy Hyuk on the quiz on the Black and in Bloomberg interview in November 2023. BTS debuted in 2030 and came from a bankrupt company, Big Hit Entertainment, and is now Hype. They are not to joke about the wedding eyeliner and the cheap clothes for their debut, which become an inside joke between the BTS and their fans. And similarly, TXT and the debuted, including the boys wearing cute yet unfashionable outfit. Both fandom hilariously call their respective K-pop group trainee and the debut era fashion loser. For the unversed in the K-pop community, the term loser is a hilarious way to joke about their favorite idol, clumsy or the goofy behavior or action. On April 3, 2025, fan flooded social media as the picture of the reported incoming and the Big Hit Music boy group airport look went viral online. One fan hilariously remarked, "And where are the loser outfit?" And both BTS and TXT fandom reunited to tease their favorite idol light-heartedly, and they joked that the leader of the new boy group must have dimple as it's the tradition. This is a reference to the fact that BTS leader Namjoon and TXT leader Soobin both have dimple, and the leader better have dimple. We have tradition in the household. A fan wrote, "Three of them better have the same last name and the leader better have dimple. There are the rules." Another fan joked, "The leader better have dimpled and we have a tradition to uphold." Another fan added, "Other joked that Big Hit Music should give the supposed new group member counterfeit cloth eyeliner to uphold the debut and the tradition. Give me and the counterfeit cloth eyeliner and the terrible color Platty, I do nothing," a fan joked, "and I need loser like this cheap eyeliner and $3 free trial edition app channel and the Gucci fit them Tamu and what the eldest steal his mom cookware so you cook and eat well the whole shebang." Another fan added, "And they don't debut loser anymore. These guys look like celebrity." Another fan hilariously load, "What happened to Big Hit promoting and the promising boy group trainee that led to its disbandment before the bird?" Hybe announced trainee in early 2022. The seven members include Leo, Yort, Sangwon, Woo Chan, James, JJ, and the Jihoon. They piqued interest with frequent engagement with fans via YouTube and Instagram by showing off their talent and what they did in their daily life with the amount of content they created online. They built a solid fan base, and then the group possibly rise suddenly turned problematic in December 2021 when member Leo received backlash for self-written rap lyrics that were deemed misogynistic and offensive. The lyrics featured a video titled "Shut Down" and which led to the video being taken too quickly, and both Leo and the trainee production team issued formal apologies. In August 2022, Leo revealed that he would be leaving a trainee sitting internal and pressure and the mental health issue. In a video announcement, he expressed gratitude for his time in the group but started and that the constant worrying had become too much to handle. Trini as path changed considerably in December 2022 when Big Hit Music announced it had shut down a social media channel of the group. Subsequently, member George confirmed the group disbanded through his personal social media account. He conveyed gratitude to fans and apologized for the project conclusion making and the end of training a collective journey. Following the disbandment, former member embarked individual path Leo in July 2023 and the year. And now talk about currently BTS members are gearing up for their military discharge in June 2025 and their return to the entertainment industry. TXT is on their ACT Promise Episode 2025 World Tour. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Next time. Goodbye.